In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Rabby Wallet to Aster DEX. Now, first you need to go to Aster's official website, and there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official Aster DEX website, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, as I said, link down below. Now, once you are over here on the official Aster DEX website to connect the Rabby Wallet, first you have to actually select your chain. So click on up top right over here next to where it says Connect Wallet and select if you want BNB chain, Ethereum chain, or Arbitrum chain. So Rabby Wallet is available on all those three chains, so of course just select the one you want to use. And then after that, you of course want to make sure you actually do have the Rabby Wallet extension, okay? So if I go over here inside my extensions, as you can see, I do have Rabby Wallet installed. If you don't know how to get this, just go to Google, type in Rabby Wallet Chrome extension, and then of course you can just install it onto your browser. Now, after you've selected your chain over here, just click on the Connect Wallet button, and you'll be able to see the Rabby Wallet in here. Just click on it. And then in case you are not signed into your wallet, you will first have to sign in, and then you want to click on Unlock. And just like this, it's going to basically just say connect. You have to select the address you want to connect, click on the connect button, and for the first time you do this, there we go, it's going to essentially just connect your wallet in here. And then you'll be able to, of course, switch to different networks and chains. As you can see here, I can switch between BNB, Ethereum, and Arbitrum, and that's pretty much how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.